Hello everyone, it's Hanny with the third junk journal embellishment challenge from my Facebook group, number 3. And the prompt was beer, cold beer, not just beer. And the suggestion was, the option was to make a pocket. Well, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a pocket, and you can make lots of different pockets. Square ones, pocket with tri-folds or double folds, so you have 3 pockets or 4 pockets or 2 pockets. But I'm going to make a simple triangle pocket. So I have 2 book pages. They were my glue pages, you can see it. There's still glue on it. It's a double page, it's thick enough because I'm going to collage it. Well, not a very big pocket, just a simple one. And well, it's not glued all together, but here and there because it was my glue page. But well, if you want I'm going to make 2 of this square, 2 triangles. Now I have 2 pockets, and I can make a pocket for the left page or a pocket for the right page. Left, well, that doesn't matter because the text is upside down, but I don't care because I'm going to collage it. So this is a right corner and this is a left corner. Well, I'm going to make a right corner. I could have how did it, like this, collaged this in one piece. Well, maybe I'm going to do that anyway. I'm just sticking them together again. Oh yeah, and I found some I have a 3D sheets. You can well, make 3D images like so. Well, I never do that. Well, I had one with beer, so I think I'm going to use well, this is a bit too big, I'm afraid. Maybe not. Well, I'm going to use that, and I think I'm going to make one with a kind of circle here. Oh, these are all my punch 2.5-inch circles. Like that. I think I'm going to do that. Or I'm going to punch a little. No, I can do this. Yeah, I will do that. The first thing I'm going to do is collage this square. I only make 1 pocket, but then I have another one to which I can decorate. So here are my little scraps, and I'm just going to collage it. Oh yeah, I start with a sentence and I do not end it. What I'm trying to say is that this is not glued all the way, but I don't mind because I'm going to sew around it. Maybe I said it already, but then I forgot I said it. So something not too I could use a piece of that, one of my digitals. Oh, why not? Sometimes I like digital pages very much when I'm, well, when I want to have easy collaging, well, I just use some digitals. And now I'm going to cut it. And now I have 2 pockets collaged. And now I'm going to cut it again in the middle. So I have my 2 pockets again. Something like that. You see? And I'm going to make the right one. Is this upside down or is it? Yeah. Well, I don't mind. I'm going to use it this way. The first thing I'm going to do is sew around it now. So I'll be right back. So I'm back. Just with a straight stitch I sewed around it. Don't know if I find that too big. Oh yeah, and I have a few stamps I found. I'm already made stamps, folks postage stamps. Well, I don't have much room. Could use that too. Yeah, I have enough. Sure, that's the same button, beer button. I don't know if I do the circle. Maybe a smaller circle. Maybe a smaller circle. One moment. I'm searching for my circle punch. A 2-inch punch. Well, I better could take another. Piece of cardstock. And if you don't have a punch, you don't have to do it with a circle. Of course, you can do it with a square or another little triangle. Maybe I could do that. Another little triangle. Hey, that's an idea. Why not? Just for fun. Maybe it's ugly, but we'll see. We'll see. Well, something like that. A little bit, and then here and here. Something like that. Let's try. It's only paper. There and there. Like, oops. It's not quite dry yet. Then I should sew around here too, I think. Yeah, I like, well, that way, no. That way, no. Like it that way. Yeah, I will sew around this too. One moment. So, I'm back. Oh, you don't have to sew, of course. You can just glue everything. Do I like this? I don't know if I like that. Well, just try. We'll color the edges. So I have a little bit of dimension. You can make a lot of things out of book pages, old book pages. Maybe you don't like tearing up pages, you can use magazines too. These are books too, but yeah. Could do that. And now decorate it. Ooh, yeah. I have some doily thingies. Or die cuts. Could use that. Or here I have a circle. Do I want my circle? No. Well, could do it, but I don't have a lot of stuff anymore in my stash. I have to cut some again, please. Yeah. I think I like that. And then maybe just a few stamps on it. Beer stamps. Lager. It's beer too, isn't it? Yes, it is. I don't know. I don't know. What shall I do? Honey, it's just a pocket. Nothing more, nothing less. Like that. Just puzzling a bit. I think I like that. Cold beer. Cold beer. No doily. And open. I think I like this. I'm not going to use lace or something that doesn't fit with beer. Maybe this little piece over there. Yeah. Yeah. I think I like it this way. It's simple, but it's about beer. So now I will glue them together. Ooh, it's runny. It's runny. Ah. Oh my god. Sorry. My nose is runny and my glue is runny. And this isn't. So just like that. I will clean it up a bit. With a wet baby wipe. Like that. So no harm done. Yeah, like it. This was the runny one. This is not. I think. Close it. Yeah. So a little die cut. Like that, like so. And that way, that and so. I don't remember. Yeah, I think I did this way. So a bit ink around the edges. Beer. Cold beer. And a postage stamp, I already inked that. Just like that. And a little open sign. Oh, here. We are open. A little open sign. Yeah, I think I like this. Bit glue here. Well, you can do very much with pockets. Decorate them. Here I have a journal. It's not ready, but I just want to know how it looks when gluing that on the page. Well, maybe I have a tea-dyed page. I like that. Yeah. Nice pocket. So, that's it. That's my contribution for this week. Challenge number 3, beer. And I hope you will join me in my Facebook group and in my challenge. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.